So the goal right now is to actually test this code, and we'll be using local by Flywheel to test this code. Now this is the tool that I use while creating my local WordPress environments, and this works great. Let's check out the WordPress site that it created. That's just a dummy site, but most importantly, when we apply Google FC to it, we don't see any ad slots. So we have to now test in the ad slots code and ensure that there are not any errors in the Google Publisher console. So right now, how do we do that? Now I'm going to Visual Studio Code. I'm not navigating from the WordPress backend. I'm directly accessing the code. Now to open the code, I am opening the folder wherein my theme is located. So this is the site app, public, WP content, themes, and then we go in 21. Okay, so I'm opening in here. So the file we're looking for, and it opened directly, is the header.php. So guys, we can use this for actually quickly testing our settings, and it makes our life much easier because we don't have to navigate towards the plugins, and we can perform the test. Now we have two sections in here, head and body. So using this file, you can quickly test your ad code, but kindly don't update this file in your live WordPress environment. In the live WordPress environment, follow the instructions that I will be sharing next. This is just for quick testing. Now we are back in here, just copying in the code. Let's copy it completely and then delete in the sections we don't need. Now in here, I just copied the entire section, but we only need the header part. So I am just retaining the header part, and rest all is getting deleted. Okay, so this all. So retain from script to script. Okay, now inside the body, now there's again this duplicate, so I'm all removing this. It might have come due to some testing that I was doing. Okay, now we don't need the body because it's already there. Let's pick up the div, all the divs, and then copy paste in here. Quickly click on save, and how do we test to a site? We can open the site again from in here, and good. So guys, you're seeing that the code is implemented. We implemented it using clubbed all the ad units code together. So this is one nice thing to learn, and we did this using ChatGPT. Now going to the page requests tab to verify whether we see that warning. So we are not seeing any warning. Our page is tagged correctly, so we can celebrate this, and our ad tagging is at least tested. Now in the next video, I would show you how do you implement this inside the WordPress admin, and we would replace step by step.